Good morning, friends. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I am so excited to be here with you today. So let's sing our song. Are you ready? Good morning, little sprouts. How are you? Good, good. Good morning, little sprouts. How are you? Good, good. It is time to start our day. We will learn and work and play. Good morning, little sprouts. How are you? Good, good. Great job singing, friends. All right, I'd like to know how you're doing today. Can you tell me? Those are some good words. Good job, friends. Today, I'm feeling pretty green. I feel ready to learn. I feel well rested. I had a good breakfast. Did you have a good breakfast? That's important to have a good breakfast before we start school each day. All right, so let's say good morning to mummies and daddies. Good morning to brothers and sisters. And good morning to me, Miss Tracy. Good morning, friends. Okay, let's get started with our day. Today, we will be talking about rainbows and colors, and sometimes the things that we see that are those colors. That's a little bit about what we're going to talk about today. But first, before we do any of that, we need to figure out what day of the week it is. So show me your 2 fingers and your 5 fingers, just like this. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job singing. Do you know what day of the week it is? It's tricky today because normally we have preschool on Monday, but we didn't have virtual preschool on Monday. So today is Wednesday. Great job. Today is a Wednesday. Today is a Wednesday. Today is a Wednesday, and we're going to have some fun. Okay, so Wednesday is way over here. We need to figure out what number this is. Are you ready to come count with me? Let's do it. At number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So all the way over here is number 28, and it's Wednesday. Who remembers what month it is today? So it's almost the end of April. Let's sing our song and see if we can figure it out, which one the sign is for April. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Did you catch which one was April? That's right, it's rain. Okay, so we can say that today is Wednesday, April 28th. Let's write that on our board. Wednesday, April 28. Good job, friends. All right, now the trickiest part of our day. Miss Tracy has to help us figure out the weather. I'm going to need your help because I always get it wrong. Are you ready to sing our song? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there sun? Can you use your looking eyes to look outside at the weather today? Great job. The weather here has been very tricky lately. Today, Miss Tracy's going to put up the sun because she sees a little sun and the clouds. I'm crossing my fingers that we don't get any rain and that it stays pretty nice. So now let's pick out some clothes for the sloth. So today the sloth is going to wear his pants to keep his legs warm. He's going to wear his sneakers because Miss Tracy wore her sneakers to school today. She didn't need to wear her rain boots. And his hoodie. There we go. I think our sloth is all ready for his day. I don't think he's got a hat. He's got a toque, but I don't think he's got a regular hat. No, that's okay. All right, so today we are going to be talking about rainbows. So I have a special story I'm going to read to you about colors. And our art activity today is a little bit like a science experiment. So let's talk about the different colors of the rainbow first, before we get into our science and making a rainbow. Let's talk about the rainbow. So I'm going to get all my different colored markers up here. So in our rainbow, I don't think I've got orange, that's okay. We have red. And then in between red and yellow is orange. And I don't have an orange marker. I'll use brown. Okay. So red and yellow make orange. And then yellow and blue make green. So we'll go with green and then blue. And then there's a color called indigo, which is in between blue and violet. But I don't have an indigo marker, so we'll just say blue and then violet. And because it's my favorite color, I always put pink at the end, because pink has to count for something. Okay, so we've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and pink as our rainbow today. Now, we're not going to be able to make all of these colors, but we're going to see which of these colors we do get to make. So we are going to start with red and yellow, and I've got some green, and I've got blue, and I've got purple. So we're going to work with these colors and see what happens. So for our activity today, you need paper towel. I'm just going to set these aside for now. Cups of water. I'm going to use clear cups. You can use whatever cups you have. And then you can use food coloring. I've run out of some of my food coloring and I've run out of some of my watercolors, so I'm going to use a bit of both. So I'm going to start with red. And I'm going to put some drops of red in here. And I'm going to give it a swirl because I forgot my stir stick. There we go. And then I'm going to go with yellow. mix it up a little bit. And I've got some green food coloring. Oh, I might have to stir that one. That one does not want to mix itself. Okay, it's dissolving a little bit. Okay, and then blue. And then purple or violet. Okay. Tracy's going to use. There we go. Okay. Okay. So now we have red, yellow, green, blue, and violet, which turned kind of an interesting shade. Okay. The next thing we're going to do with our paper towel is we're going to fold it, because we're going to make bridges, little bridges in between the different colors. So you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again. And you're just going to set it to the side because we don't need it right away. But we are going to do this with 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of paper towel. Okay, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. And just set it aside, folded. Okay, one more. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our bridges. So we're going to take our folded paper towel and we're going to link up these different colors. So we're going to link red and yellow, yellow and green, green and blue and violet. And we're going to see what happens. So let's start with red and yellow. So we're just going to dip these in just like that. And then we're going to dip yellow and green. Just like that. And then we're going to dip green and blue, just like that. And then blue and violet, just like that. Now, normally we would do this in a straight line, but Miss Tracy's tray was not big enough, so we have done it just like this. So now we have to watch. Do you see what's happening? Do you see how the colors are slowly creeping up the paper towel? Let's see what happens. It's going to take a minute for all the colors to creep up. What do you think is going to happen when red and yellow meet? This is called an hypothesis in science, when we think we know the outcome based on information we already know. So I think that when these two meet in the middle, they might have a little bit of orange, and that when green and yellow meet, it'll be kind of like a lighter green. And when green and blue meet, it'll be this like kind of cool, not quite teal, but almost teal color, maybe like a turquoise. And when blue and purple meet, that it will be kind of like that indigo color that we were talking about. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and we'll come back to it in a couple of minutes once we've read our story, and we'll see if things have changed, if we've given it enough time to soak up all of the colors. And if we haven't, that's okay. We'll give it a little bit more time and see if we can make magic happen. Okay, I'll read our story. So, our story today is all about Bear and the colors that he sees. I'm a good listener, read me a book. My hands are in my lap, and at Miss Tracy I look. When she sees I'm ready, she will say, Here is the story I have for you today. So Bear sees colors. Mouse and Bear are walking. They are chitter, chatter, talking. So much for them to do. And the bear sees... What color do you think he's going to see? What color is it? Blue. Blue flowers by the trail. Blue berries, blue pail. Okay, so let's see if we can find all the things that are blue. So there's blue flowers, blue water, blue dragonflies, blue fish, blue berries, blue bucket, and even a blue butterfly. Blue, blue everywhere. Can you spy blue with Bear? Good job, friends. Along the trail hops Hare. Howdy ho there, Mouse and Bear. Hare points up ahead, and the bear sees... What color do you think? What color is it? Red! Red blossoms, red cherries, red juicy raspberries. Red, red everywhere. Can you spy red with Bear? Okay, there's a lot of red. So we've got red birds, red cherries, red raspberries, red flowers, red butterflies, red mushrooms, red leaves, red watering can, and then red ladybugs. I think that's all the red there is. But that is a lot of things that are red. Red is a beautiful color. Badger's at the pond with his old galoshes on. Look there, Badger bellows, and the bear sees... What color? Yellow! Drippy, sticky, oh so yummy honeycombs with yellow honey. Yellow, yellow everywhere. Can you find it just like Bear? Let's see. We've got yellow flowers and yellow bees. Yellow honey. There's this fruit. I'm not sure if it's lemons or if it's apples or other berries, but they're yellow. And these, I think they're reeds, have yellow in them. So much yellow. Gopher's out with Mole. They are on a little stroll. Bear spots them by the stream, and the bear sees... What color? Green. Green mint for making tea. Green and tasty sweet peas. Green, green everywhere. Can you spy green with Bear? What other things do you see that are green in this picture? Let's see. Okay, so we have the green mugs. They all have green mugs with green tea. There's green butterflies, green peas, green leaves, green apples. Oh, there's a green bug, and green caterpillars. So many things that are green. Raven, owl, and wren lay a picnic in the glen. The friends all gathered round, and the friends see... What color? Brown. Chocolate cake, brown and sweet. Brown cookies, such a treat. Brown eyes, brown hair, friendly, fluffy, brown bear. But let's find all the brown. Okay, so we talked about the mushrooms, and it looks like there's little brown ants and leaves, and the mouse is brown, and the bear is brown, and Badger's got a little bit of brown. There's brown mushrooms and brown birds, brown cake, brown cookies, brown owl, brown pine cones, brown leaves, brown trees. So many things that are brown. Okay. Colors, colors everywhere. Can you find colors just like bear? So what colors can we see in this picture? So I see white and green and red and yellow and purple and blue and brown. Is that all the colors there are? It might be, but there's so many. Pardon me, there is so many things in this picture. A green frog. Look at all those colors. The end. Okay, so that was a really good story about colors. Let's see how our colors are doing. They're not quite all the way. That's okay. They are pretty wet, so the color's probably going to take a little bit longer to get through, and that's okay. But look how pretty they are. So the red is almost like a light pink, and the yellow is slowly creeping up. It's a little bit faster than the red. I wonder why that is. And the green, and the blue, and the purple. So pretty. All right. So hopefully you can let yours sit for a little bit longer, and then you can see all the beautiful colors that this makes in our walking rainbow. Whew. All right, friends. So that is all I have for us to do today. I am so excited to see you again on Friday. I'm very happy we got to meet today. I will see you later for our Zoom meeting, and we are going to talk more about rainbows then, and maybe even play a rainbow game. All right, friends, let's get out our working hands. Ready? All day long we worked and played, worked and played, worked and played. All day long we worked and played, and now our day is done. Wave goodbye to all your friends, all your friends, all your friends. Wave goodbye to all your friends until we meet again. Bye, friends. I'll see you guys soon.